Do your thing, gon' move around. You know I ain't sticking around, cause you ain't fucking with a rookie. Baby, I seen it all, the game ain't new to me. And I do what I got to let you know you ain't fucking with a rookie. Baby, I seen it all, the game ain't new to me.
What's up, gang? It's your girl Audree, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, I do vlogs, I do hauls, I do pranks, I do all that. I haven't really been doing no pranks because I ain't got no friends, but yeah, I do vlogs and I do hauls. And today we're going to actually do something different, and we're going to do a DIY apartment-friendly transformation, so to speak. Okay, this might be ghetto-y. We're gonna see how it all comes out, but I have faith that everything's gonna come out looking immaculate. Now, I'm gonna do a pan over of my actual kitchen. If you have not seen my unfurnished apartment tour, I do stay in an apartment, a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Now, the stuff don't look too shabby. I'm not even gonna lie. As you can tell, my stuff don't look too shabby. My island and my cabinets are pretty up to date. However, I'm just not feeling the brown. And besides, my couch is gray, and it flows right into my kitchen flows right into my living room. So I just want it all to just come all together and just bring in some some more modern, some more definition, and some more of just my individual style. So this is an apartment-friendly transformation. I'm going to be doing my cabinets black, and I'm going to be doing my island countertop and my countertop just in general marble, but a black marble, I believe. I'm gonna see how it all turns out. Hopefully it all comes out looking real nice, real good, nice and sleek. And then once I get everything all done, I'll probably add in some backsplash. I'm not really sure yet. Y'all let me know if y'all think I should add in a backsplash or just leave it as is. I'm gonna add in some curtains. But first thing first, I just want to do the transformation, and then we're gonna come back and actually do the glam decoration to make it really feel like home. I don't care if you stay in a trailer. I don't care if you stay in a bungalow. I don't care if you stay in a tent. Make your place feel like home, love. Make it feel like home, because when your place feels like home, you feel nice and relaxed. You feel nice and cozy. You ready to pop in a movie or watch the stars or the sunset in case you ain't got no cable. Do you, boo-boo. As long as your cottage feels like home to you, you're gonna make it do what it do. So that's what I'm gonna do. My house, my apartment already feels okay, but it don't feel like my home. It don't feel like my personal living space. And I do stay in California where houses are extremely high. So I'm gonna make this my own little house. Because why not? Why not? Why can't I be elegant? Why can't I pretend like I live in Beverly Hills? Why can't I have the high class life? Who says I can't? Well, I am. So enough with all of that. Y'all just stay tuned and watch this transformation. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so you don't miss the next time that I upload. And let's go.
I feel the rain coming down right now. Finally feel alive and I don't know how. If I'm honest, I don't care to figure it out, cause I'm on one every time I feel that power. And yeah, so what? I made some bad mistakes, but I've been the same ever since you called my name. And I felt the change all the way down in my soul. Now when I feel weak, you say I'm okay. You saw me trusting diamonds. What we got is priceless, priceless. What we got is priceless. I done had it all, but ain't nothing else like this, like this. Ain't nothing else like this. All my money made me wanna give it to you. Raise my hands, boy, you got that hallelujah. Search until you find, yeah, say it's in the timing, timing. I just call it righteous, righteous. I just call it it righteous, righteous. I just call it righteous, righteous.
I was alone, stuck in my ways. You came along just like a saint. I was on lockdown, but the whole time you had the keys. I don't know what it is you're doing to me. I was lost before, but baby, now I see. Cause there you are looking at me and I'm looking at you. Looking at us and I'm thinking that we got something good, and I know that there's nothing that's coming between us. No, nothing at all. And they can call it love and whatever they want, but I call it right, I call it right.
You trust in diamonds, what we got is priceless, priceless. What we got is priceless. I done had it all, but ain't nothing else like this, like this. Ain't nothing else like this. All my money made me wanna give it to you. Raise my hands, boy, you got that hallelujah. Search until you find it. I say it's in the timing. I just call it righteous, righteous. I just call it righteous, righteous. I just call it righteous, righteous. I just call it righteous, righteous.
Emotions, pull back your emotions. Baby, we just going through the motion, yeah. Can't you see me loving on you? I don't want nobody but you. Dancing alone in this room, thinking of you, I want to, yeah. Give you the blues, yeah. Wake up next to you, yeah. Jump from the stairs too confused, yeah. You said that I left you hanging. Well, the damage is done, you can't blame me. What you gon' do to me, boy, you can't tame me. I let you go, and you still try to claim me, yeah. I'ma say this one time. Don't let me have to tell you twice, so it's goodbye. It's just something that you do to me, yeah. That keeps me running back usually. I just wanna be satisfied. You've pushed me to limits that I just can't help what you do to me. Every time I fall for the foolery, yeah, it's you for me. Can't help what you do to me. Do to me. Can't help what you do to me. Yeah, it's you for me. Do to me. Can't help what you do to me. Yeah, it's you for me.
Babe, what you do to me, it's really you for me. Never will you ever find another like me. Falling for the foolery, but babe, just let it be. I wanna show you better things, but it's hard for me to leave. So I'ma follow your lead, be the man I need to be. Yes, I gotta claim you, I don't want you to leave. Yes, I want a piece of that pie. Can't nobody eat it like I. Telling me goodbye, that's a lie. Let me show you right, I'ma do it this time. Sick of my lies, that's fine. Babe, you all mine, that's right. Girl, I'm in love with your vibe. Every day you cross my mind. Wanna be with you all the time. We gon' get it right this time.
Maybe I've been going nowhere lately. It's time to start all over and go for it. 'Cause they don't even know me yet. But that's something I don't regret. Every night I close my eyes and see only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. Tell me that you can see what I see, feeling wrapped up in the warmth of Sunday memories. But I don't even know what's next. But all I know is step by step. But then again, I don't wanna wait for bliss when all I really need is only lavender dreams, baby. What can I do when a million things are running through? Million things I can't undo. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. That's all I got. What can I say with a million things I can't erase? Million people I can't save. I just sleepwalk, I just sleep talk. Don't wanna wake up. feel alive and I don't know how. If I'm honest, I don't care to figure it out. Cause I'm on one every time I feel that power. And yes,